Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to backup data in Telegram. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to Telegram app and then let's go to the left side in the three lines in the corner. Just click here and then let's go to settings. Here on settings, just scroll down and let's go to the option that says data and storage. Just click here and just select that you want to activate all of these options that say automatic media download. Just activate all of them in the high quality and then everything will be download. And when you start a new login from other device or something like that, well, all your media will be keep on Telegram. So that's how it works. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. So guys, well, I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.